I certainly have enough material for that.
Really? Are there those many bad drivers in Seattle?
Oh yeah.
So there is no shortage of content.
Yep. No shortage of content. And I do this full time, so I'm like I'm out on the road almost every day.
I'm taking my driving lessons now.
Oh, nice.
I hope I don't get into.
Don't do that. Don't do that. That's something that I'm very rightfully critical of. Like, bike lane, not a free parking spot.
Is that AR-15 and other semi-automatic assault weapons are capable of being
Nice parking spot.
That there seems like it is plausible. Again, we do not have
Right in the bike lane. Parking's over there.
Are they breaking? Or what's happening? It's training for the speed competition. Every time.
What's you're great. That's interesting. We will talk about how
My God.
Dan's closet at the end of the show. So make sure everybody out there watching is sticking around with us. But you were actually,
Yeah, we just use the bus lane for parking.
It's some new hip app that the kids are into. What there was something that a bunch of people were
Oh
saying.
man, I wish you were still there while the bus is coming. Come on. Bus on the way! Oh, no, shove them. Push them. Boo. Very good. Just pull out right in front of other people. That's a great parking spot. Right next to a no parking sign. Off you go. Nice turn signal. All the good stuff.
We must now get aboard the cargo ship that floated
Yep.
to a stop right next to him and find some kind of
Still here.
How will they get into the cargo ship? Don't worry, they're there. No, they're just
You could park right there.
Went from a library, which is about 50 feet high, to the
Jesus
ship
Christ.
200 feet in the air. And they went up there. They probably somebody that gave them a boost ladder. A boost involved. So you're saying everything in there will kill me? Yeah.
And this I love because the Duchess really takes a great deal of in her toxic heart. She is quoted in this.
Hey! No bend!
Some places like dictionary. Dictionary is the words you're reading now on the pages they were printed on. Basically, this thing you're looking at right now that you're holding, reading words It's a dictionary.
Why is that
Hey, look at me.
bump
Hold the
that
dictionary in
massive?
my hands as I read the definition of dictionary.
Obviously, that was a bump.
Switch and say with
Hit the
Geico.
frame of my
It's easier
car.
than you think.
Where are you going? Wow. Just wow.
He is bailing my assholes.
Where a group of Catholics challenged Protestant Bible reading in schools and a number of other things, and the Supreme Court here used the no aid provision, which to strike all of that down in the 1890s. So Bible reading wasn't taken out of the schools in the 1940s,
The fuck are you doing?
60s, depending on which Christian nationalist you're listening to. It was much earlier in many places. And the crazy thing now is that the Supreme Court.
You don't see that sign right there? No parking anytime. This is the center lane. This is the train tracks. This, where we're at, is where cars go. There's literally parking right there. Right there.
Alright.
Just stopped here for no reason. Also, that's the turn lane. God. People are so entitled. I do whatever I want. It's your job to go around me. I have a bike light. Where's your bike light?
That video thing, and it's like, oh, he's got a TikTok, he knows how videos do.
And like, doesn't he know that real Republicans hug the flag and
Go.
stand there?
So horny for it, huh?
Go.
It's so strange.
Let's talk about the debt. There was a poll out.
We go with traffic. With traffic.
From the Pew Research Center.
Mine. And he's like, she's like,
oh my
so
God.
it's fixed and it's running. He's like, not quite. And she's like, really? Because it was just
Hard.
on, and there were little sparkly shit. He's like, no, it needs something else. And she says, what? And he goes, go.
Wrong way.
The quantum thing, the entanglements of it.
Jeez.
And she says,
Death penalty. God, it's so. I'm sorry, I'm fixated on the stupid law and the stupid demon movies. But like, the real Arnie Johnson was tried for first-degree manslaughter because that's what it was. They're going back to their reels of tape from when they taped exorcisms. What do they think they're gonna find? Like,
good job.
The demons said something on
No one in the
tape
car.
that they missed. Like demons narrate, and there's some.
What I'm asking, I'm wondering if one of these many American groups who have done similar things to what they did in Australia, to obviously no people died, but other than that, no financial issues.
Mass weddings during the height of pandemic 1. And yes, some right-wing evangelical Christians were like, yes, more power to them. One guy, who's Rick Wiles, one of those MAGA type cultists, was like, I'm paying that the state gave them because I.
She's at a pain level of like 2%. Now, if I'm a westernized doctor in a emergency room kind of telling me like, he's like this.
Oh my God.
Anything that's anecdotal examples. What I'm asking is, what is the that exists other than there's a tradition of that this energy exists in talking about it. Because, quite honestly,
I wonder where the bike lane is.
the proof is when it can be demonstrated.
I hate when people do that. We're all going 70, 75. That's not fast enough for you.
He didn't even have his DDK test off.
Yeah, he at least did that. You get small points. Insignificant points.
Has circulated communications that use the name, image, or likeness of Only Baseball in a false, misleading, and/or defamatory manner. And then it cites the article, and then it says, no one from or on behalf of Baseball was contacted, interviewed, or consulted about the article. It contains numerous false and misleading statements. For example, Only Baseball 1 does not have a web.
Good job. Big line for this street. Good luck with that.
He's doing it with attitude too.
Yeah. I will shove myself in here. Crossing 2 lanes of traffic makes me nervous though. I believe that light was red.
Yeah, they should just go ahead and make the other lane optional left or straight.
Yeah, if I hadn't seen earlier, I would kind of have assumed that this would be a double.
It's only
turn
in the
lane.
mornings during the heavy commute they do it. It's kind
Oh,
of
okay. Yeah, I do see there is a space for a left turn light. Yeah.
Yeah. In the mornings, there's a light back there that will tell you.
Yeah, Eli says they are the most difficult bricks to break because you can't even see them.
It's true. So, you're karate. Right, okay. That's like super fast, lightning reflexes, all that stuff, right?
Oh, for sure. I mean, if one were to try to attack me...
Not check!
Oh, make the grass up!
I don't think he's using that term correctly.
Well,
it could be.
Go. There's parking right there. Yep, let's block traffic. Very good.